Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a holiday Grinch mani with dip powders from Krival Nails, and that decal sheet is from Nails Truly. So we're diving into this mani today with a beautiful white. Now this white speaks for itself. It's super full coverage and it only needs one dip in my opinion for a great base for a decal or any nail art. So we're not going to spend too much time on this beautiful powder here because I've used it a lot on my channel, and overall it's a great white to have in your collection, especially if you are a decal junkie like I am. But overall it's fantastic and it's not patchy or streaky or anything like that. So now we're moving on to these beautiful staple colors in my opinion. Now I know it's already we're well into the holiday season, but if you think about it, St. Patty's Day is gonna be here before we know it. And Elves Workshop, this right here, is giving me all those leprechaun green kind of vibes, and I'm already like envisioning this color paired with some rich golds, even some orange. I just feel like this green right here is a great, just bright, vibrant green that you need on hand. Now, don't let these names fool you. Yes, they have a holiday theme name, but these colors can be used any time of the year. The names are just a fun little twist, but don't let the names fool you because this one right here, we're going to be rocking for St. Patty's Day. But right here, you can see this green gets even better with that second dip, and then wait till you see it paired with polar lights. It's going to really be a game changer. Polar lights is a whole nother animal on its own. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into some holiday jams. We only have a few more days to get those holiday music in, so let's take advantage of it, and then I will pop back in just a little bit.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times. chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
All right, so we're just finishing up with the decal here. I'm taking the flat brush with a little bit of acetone on there, and I'm ever so gently, with the most delicate feather touch, gently pressing down on that decal to make sure it is laying completely flat. Once it's dry, I went ahead and gently tapped on it just to make sure everything was laying super flat. And then to protect that decal, we're going to do a layer of gel base and cure for a full 30 seconds. We're going to do the exact same thing to the other decal here, just ever so lightly tap on that decal here. And I'm just feathering out those sides just to fade out that little transition area. And voila, it is super flat. And again, once it's dry, go ahead and tap on it and seal it in with another layer of gel base here. And make sure you cap that free edge and cure for a full 30 seconds. Then we're going to finish up the mani today with a layer of gel top coat. And this is when I just love how everything turns out, because you get this awesome glossy shine here on the top coat here, and it just brings that decal to life in these beautiful colors that we use today from Krival Nails. And I'm going to finish up the rest of the top coat off camera and cure for a full 60 seconds. All right, so this is what the finished mani looks like. It's very simple, but yet we still have that touch of sparkle for the holiday. We have that perfect holiday green, and then you cannot go wrong with a classic Grinch. And I love it so much. He's wearing that Santa suit, and then we have him holding the ornament that says no. Overall, I love it. Yes, it's simple, but yes, it still screams the holiday season. So I hope you enjoyed this simple holiday mani today, featuring dip powders from Krival Nails. Now, if these colors were not your cup of tea, Krival Nails has tons of other beautiful colors. You're definitely going to find something that catches your eye over on the website. And there's always amazing sales happening with Krival, so definitely take advantage of those when those sales pop up. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.